What's up, YouTube? So, another unboxing video. Something from A-Main Hobbies. So we're gonna get into this. Obviously it's parts for the Offna car. So, let's open this up, see what's in there. Packages are taking a while to get here. It's kind of annoying. But they are getting here. I opened one earlier. Sorry guys, but I was a little too excited for no reason whatsoever. But got a new wing for my car. Nothing cool. So I didn't really think you guys needed to see that. But they're taking a while to get here. I got 2 more packages coming though, so hopefully they'll be here soon. See what we got here from A-Main. Alright. Graphite radio tray. So we'll be putting that on. Here. Oh. Switch. Needed a new one. And this one's got the charger connect to it, so you can just leave your hump pack in your car and just have this thing, just pull the little charger part out. Nice. Oh, what is it? Oh yeah, these little weird wheel scrapers. I ordered these. Whatever. Some wheel scrapers. I don't know if I'm gonna even use these. I don't even remember I ordered these. That's funny. What else we got going on here? Oh yeah. Skid plate. Bump skid. Whatever. Definitely need that. Because that one that's on there is a joke. And this one's a lot stronger. What is this? What do we got going on here? Let's see. Blah 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 blah. Throw that shit away. Alright, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna have to do this in parts videos. I think that's what I'm gonna have to do here. Cause there's no way I'm gonna be able to fit all this on there in one time. Since I got that, I'm not a full partner or whatever. So, tray. Get into this. Wow, it looks really nice. I was gonna kind of worried that it's gonna look like a piece of shit, but this is pretty nice. I'm actually surprised. Alright. Alright. As you can see, here's the radio tray. This piece right here. That's what we're taking out. I'm gonna put this right there. So, shall we begin? Let me get you guys set up here. Alright. Get off this fucking non-car stand. Put it on the good side. Screwdrivers. Gotta pop this screw, this screw, this screw, that screw, this screw, that screw, this screw, these 2 screws, this screw, and this little screw right here. It's a lot of shit, but I don't know if I'm gonna take off that stupid plate. So many fucking screws. And we'll take the ones on top first. Get these out of here. I'm hoping this isn't going to be a pain in the ass and then it'll just come out easy. I don't really like taking apart servos and shit, and this is really kind of annoying to me. And of course, you know, to pull apart a fucking servo. You know, just because they want to be assholes. And this down. Alright, I have yet to figure out what this piece is for. I'm about to show you. I understand that it's on there and it holds the wires from the steering servo, but other than that, I don't understand why the fuck it looks like a fucking, looks like a cross. I don't understand what the fuck the point of it is. Well, I don't know, I'm still using it and it holds my cables, but if anybody knows what the hell this is for, go ahead and let me know. I have no idea. Alright, we're gonna pop these ones out. You do not need to take the fucking throttle linkage, just move that shit out the goddamn way. See? Wow. And out she comes. Now I'm hoping I can do this and just leave everything linked up, and I don't have to pull the fucking throttle linkage apart, but we might see, and I don't really feel like doing that, so we might have to here. So, alright, she's pretty much loose, except for this one under here. I'm hoping that I can just leave this other shit tied down. I'm gonna undo the throttle servo. I don't fucking fuck up anything here. Hopefully it'll just kind of slide out when I pull this up. And that one will slide right back in. We can hope, right? We can all hope. Oh, it's got this stupid thing. I can hope, but I don't. Now I have a feeling it might not happen. Got these stupid, I don't even know what they call them. It's the way they tighten it down. It's got these like little plastic goofy things in there. And I have a feeling that this is gonna be a pain in the ass now. I have a feeling, but whatever. How much time we on? Oh, no, 8 minutes, huh? Well, let's get this last screw out, and then I'm gonna have to cut you guys off and then put you guys back on. I'm not actually didn't have to take out any of these screws because I did it from the top instead of the bottom. So let's see how this works. But hopefully it works quite well. Alright, I'm gonna shut you guys off and put you guys